In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice paid in HoneyBook. If you've received payment outside of HoneyBook, or you simply need to manually update an invoice so your records stay accurate, this is a quick and useful process to know. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can update the invoice status with confidence and keep your project payments organized. To begin, log into your HoneyBook account. Once you're signed in, go to the project that contains the invoice you want to update. This is important because invoices are tied to individual projects, so you'll need to be in the correct one before making any changes. After opening the project, navigate to the Payments section. This is where you can view the billing activity connected to that project, including invoices, payment status, and related transaction details. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct invoice, especially if the project includes more than one. Next, locate the invoice you want to mark as paid. When you find it, look for the three-dot menu next to that invoice. Click that menu to open the available actions. From the list of options, select Mark as Paid. At this point, HoneyBook may prompt you to review the payment information. If that happens, carefully check the details shown on screen. This helps ensure you're applying the update to the right invoice and that everything reflects the payment correctly. It's always a good idea to review before confirming, especially if you're updating financial records manually. Once you've reviewed the information, confirm that you want to mark the invoice as paid. Then save the changes. Saving is the step that finalizes the update, so don't skip it. After that, verify that the invoice status changes from due to paid. This final check is helpful because it confirms the update was successful and lets you know your records are now current. If you don't see the updated status right away, give the page a quick refresh and check again. Manually marking an invoice as paid can be especially helpful when a client pays by cash, check, bank transfer, or any other method processed outside the platform. Keeping these records updated makes it easier to track revenue, avoid confusion, and maintain accurate project information. And that's it. You've successfully marked an invoice as paid in HoneyBook. Thanks for watching.